family. How family is suffering? How you will understand? How will
I
understand?
think
You are the chief minister.
You are
And
manipulating
the
my
chief
point. You have no
minister.
sense.
You are the chief
And
minister.
you are
And
just
don't
taking your point. And you have no sense. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? Right, Gopi? क्या ये सच बात नहीं है कि अतीक अहमद के खिलाफ जिस पीड़ित परिवारों ने मुकदमा दर्ज कराया, क्या ये इनके पार्टी के द्वारा पोषित माफिया नहीं था?
सही है, सही है।
Sir, people are afraid the terrorist. But I would like to say some पंक्तियां in front of you
Okay.
about the Kashmir.
Yeah, listen, listen.
कि कश्मीर जो खुद सूरज के बेटे की राजधानी थी, कश्मीर जो खुद सूरज के बेटे की राजधानी थी, डमरू वाले शिव शंकर की जो घाटी कल्याणी थी, कश्मीर जो भूमंडल का स्वर्ग बताया जाता था, कश्मीर जो लाल बहादुर को प्राणों से प्यारा था, कश्मीर वो डूब गया था अंधी गहरी खाई में। अरे कश्मीर वो डूब गया था अंधी गहरी खाई में, और फूलों की घाटी रोती थी मरघट की तन्हाई में, फूलों की घाटी रोती थी मरघट की तन्हाई में।
You cover your body with Chola Bhagavadhari and say you are the idol of the Hindutva. You are not Hindu. You are not Hindu. I am Garima Pandey. And Pandey particularly, I am not going to the casteism, but Pandey is the particular related to the Hindu Dharma. How can you give me certificate of the Hindutva? I am a Hindu. I am Tati of Krishna.
Ma'am,
Who are you?
Jai Hind, everybody. Jai Hind. I congratulate and kudos you all, the MLAs that you all have been elected from somewhere or the others. Dear people of Uttar Pradesh, I am your speaker of the day today. Today, we are sitting here for the sake of development. Today, we are sitting here for the sake of education. We are sitting here for the sake of safety. We are sitting here for the sake of growth. We are sitting here for the sake of liberty. We are sitting here for the sake of fraternity. We are sitting here for the sake of equality. We are sitting here for the sake of opportunity. We are sitting here for the sake of ability. We are sitting here for the sake of unity. Dear MLAs, today, whatever you are going to say from the bottom of your heart. Do not consider that you're speaking just because you're from BJP party. Just don't only speak that you are from Samajwadi party. More than your Samajwadi party and more than your BJP party, your nation is first. Your Uttar Pradesh is there. Because of your voice, because of your statement, because of your word, we are going to develop something. So people have elected you as an MLA because they have considered you that you are the voice of the society. So I'm a speaker today. I will be listening your statements and I will be complying with you. So some disclaimers let me have here. This is BJP party and this is Samajwadi party. We can talk about everything, but let's not disrespect any party. And one of the biggest disclaimer for this video as well. This is just for confidence building and communication skills. All right. If Yogi Adityanath, if you are watching, I'm touching your feet, right? Thank you for like this video, sir. And unfortunately, if this video goes viral, I think Modi ji also will be watching. Namaste, sir. So, dear sir, we are also trying to become like you because we are also nature builders. So, dear MLAs, your starting must be with any quotation and then greeting, then a bit gratitude, then come to the point, everybody. After listening statements, you can argue as well. You can make him down. That's shut up, sit down, get out from here. Something like that. We have securities as well. We have bouncers as well. If somebody does anything wrong, we will just, arrest him. But you can say, shut up, means there will be some points, unbearable points will be there. So if you listen and you think that it is really unbearable point, you can say that, shut up, sit down, go away from here. You can say like that. All right. So can we start, everybody? Yes, sir. Now I am very honest speaker. Let me listen to you all. So, from BJP party, we have Miss Judith. She has joined actually BJP party in 2016, I think, right? Yes, she considered that BJP party is the best option for serving Uttar Pradesh very well because she understands the beauty of Uttar Pradesh, she understands the beauty of India. That is why she has joined here, and now finally she has been elected as an MLA, and that is why she is here in assembly. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Judith. Please.
Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, I warmly welcome you all to this occasion. This is a remarkable occasion to both the ruling party and the opposition party. Before we grace this occasion, I seek the Almighty Allah to bless us through this occasion so that we have peace and unity as we go through. Members of the House, the President, though in his absence, the Prime Minister, the Deputy Minister, the Cabinet members, the estimated guests, and everyone present today, a very good morning. I am Honorable Judith Stella Acham from Batsi District. The ruling government which is in power today, I would love to welcome the ruling party. Let's stand up. Please give a round of hand applause to this government. Let's clap. Everyone, even the opposition party, clap. Let's clap. Let's all sit down. Also, allow me to welcome my opposition party. You're warmly welcome to this occasion. Feel at home. This government is not just a government. It is a government of power. It is a government of people. A government. An appreciation to my party. This party is not just a party, it is a party for people. It is a party which supports its people. It is a party which supports its citizens. Yes. I'm here to commend this party has contributed greatly to this India, especially Uttar Pradesh. The security of this country, and especially this Uttar Pradesh, is very excellent. Let me tell you, you can walk peacefully day, night, any second, any minute, without any thug attacking you. Is it not good? Members, is it not good? The government is doing something great.
Shut up, man. What are you talking about? Shut up.
Objection. Objection. Objection.
What are you talking
Objection.
about? No.
Objection. Member of Parliament, Mr.
Sir,
Sir.
remember, you are lying in front of all of us. Why you are lying?
Objection.
You are ruling past 6 years, but you are doing nothing in the
Objection.
government. You are doing nothing.
Mr. Speaker, allow me to respond to him.
Respect Mahila, please, of course, right? Respect ladies.
Allow me to respond to him. You know me as a lady, as a woman member of Parliament. I am here because of security. If it was not because of security, I would have not reached here. I would have not been in this destination. Do you know why? I walked from my place. I ordered Rapido and came here peacefully without even any bodyguard. Are we not? Is there no peace, my friend?
What about employment?
We shall talk about employment later. This government has
this government has washing machine, ma'am. The way they produce.
Allow me.
Yes.
Allow me to come to
This
your
government
point
has
later.
washing machine, ma'am.
Objection.
They presented
Point
you
of
by washing in the
correction.
washing machine.
Point
Now
of
we can see.
correction. Point
Now we
of
can see,
correction.
ma'am.
I will come and handle your matter later, sir. The government.
Ma'am, I'd like to recall you.
Let's maintain.
One thing.
Let's maintain silence.
This way your
Order.
party is gonna protect you, ma'am.
Order.
I would like to remember you the condition
Order
of the
in the
women
house.
in Manipur, ma'am.
Order in the house.
All right. Ma'am,
in
hurry
the
up, ma'am. You
house?
have 20 seconds. Hurry up, please. Yes.
Mr. Speaker,
Yeah.
thank you for this time. Let me tell you, this government has greatly improved on the health sector. Why are you healthy today? It is because of this government. You find that you can order medicine online. You know what? Even if you're sick, even at midnight, you can order medicine from LinkedIn due prescription.
We
Yes.
must have money.
You as a person, you need to have money. A government cannot provide money for everyone. It is not the work of the government to provide money for every citizen.
Beautiful.
But it is the responsibility of the citizens of the country to protect themselves, provide money for themselves. Though the government can provide other initiatives like health centers,
Shame.
health centers. Shame on you, Mr. Speaker.
This government can raise the prices, but they cannot provide the money. Wow, what a lie. This government can provide.
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question.
This government can provide 80 crore people's ration, and you are talking about this government cannot
Let me
provide
ask you a
money
question.
for the people. This government
Let
can.
me ask you
This
a
government
question.
can provide the Kisan
Point of
Samman.
correction.
This government can provide Kisan Samman Nidhi all over the world, but this government cannot
problem
protect
with
the farmers.
opposition-
They are killing themselves. They are killing themselves. Shame on you, ma'am. Shame on you, ma'am. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, ma'am?
with
This government cannot
opposition
provide
has
money.
no
This
respect.
government cannot provide money. This government purchase all the media of all the
problem
world.
with opposition,
All the
they
media of our
just
country.
shout.
This media.
Order.
In this government, if we are protesting
Mr.
you,
MP,
then next time at
respect
night time we are
yourself.
going to the prison.
Order. Respect. The problem with opposition, they like shouting. They cannot bring the
Ma'am,
clear-
stop buttering. Stop buttering. Ma'am, you are buttering this party.
Maintain the silence. Maintain the decorum of assembly.
Silence.
Maintain the decorum of assembly.
Silence in
You
the
can't hear
house.
the point she's trying to say. Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
The problem with opposition, instead of bringing the clear question, they shout. But we, the ruling government, we listen to people's opinion.
Hypocrite, ma'am.
We are not hypocrites. We are not hypocrites.
You are spreading rumors in the name of the religion, in the name of the heart of the people, in the name of the God, in the name of the articles.
Point
You
of
are
correction.
misleading people. Misleading people.
Silence.
You never talk about jobs. You never talk about jobs. You never talk about jobs. Why are you not talking about jobs?
A
Why are you
member
talking
of
about security? Talk about
parliament, you are not supposed to
development.
talk like
Talk
a
about
lady.
AIMS. Talk about the
Order.
hospitals. Talk about the hospital. How many hospitals you made? How many hospitals you made? How many hospitals you made? How many stadiums? How many stadium? International stadium you developed.
Order.
Be developed.
How-
Ikona stadium, ma'am.
You
You are
see,
buttering, ma'am.
let me tell you, the beauty of the ruling party, they are very calm. They are very smart. They are quiet. No.
Wait. Ma'am. Wait. Maintain the decorum. Maintain the decorum. Okay. Security. Wait. Security. You guys are not maintaining the decorum. It is not okay. Please maintain the silence. She's MLA here. She's speaking. Let her speak, of course.
Allow me to talk about the development, what this ruling government has done. But you are just shouting. A member of parliament, you are supposed to be calm. If you want to express your opinion, no, they are chanting for the party.
Yeah, please wait.
My members, my ruling party, let's be at peace. We are the good people at heart. The ruling party, which is the party at hand right now, though the opposition party is trying to criticize us, but we are strong enough to express our remarkable achievement in this Uttar Pradesh.
Wow.
The government improved on the transport system. You're even surprised there's Amosi Airport. Huh? For you,
Amosi Airport. Amosi Airport, wait.
Amosi Airport.
Wait, Amosi Airport, wait.
Amosi Airport, before the government privatizing it, Amosi Airport was privatized because the government wanted to give opportunity to the private sector. So, after privatization of Amosi Airport, it created...
Ma'am, we have 10 seconds. Hurry up, please.
Yes,
Hurry up, please.
after the privatization of Amosi Airport, it created employment opportunities to the youth.
Yeah.
And then it greatly contributed to the taxes. And these taxes are the ones which are used to improve on the sector.
Right.
Let me tell you, this is not just a party. This is a party gifted by Allah to lead the nation.
Oh my God.
This is a party gifted by God to lead the nation. So however much the opposition tries anything to bring us down, we are a party honored by God. That's why we are doing right to our citizens.
All right. Ma'am, please, yes.
Allow me to appreciate Mr. Yogi.
भारत माता की
Hey!
भारत माता की
Hey! You have greatly done great to this society. To this India, I'm happy today because of you. My people of India, Uttar Pradesh, are very happy because of your works. Appreciation goes to you and the cabinet at whole. Thank you so much.
Very nice.
You can see here not only the India, not only the Uttar Pradesh, not only the India, but also the peoples who comes from the BJP, who is from Uganda. And this is the beauty of our party. And he is elected. And Miss Judy, who is from MLA of the Basti. And you can see, आपने देखा कि जो मिस जूडी जी ओके
Same.
अरे क्या बात कर रहे हैं
The chief minister.
अध्यक्ष महोदय
You will tell me, same on.
जब हमारे पार्टी के लोग
Raja washing machine.
अरे क्या बात कर रहे हैं
Washing machine.
अरे अखिलेश यादव इनको समझाइए सर
Washing machine.
सर
Washing machine, sir. You have washing machine.
सर क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप
Washing machine. You have washing machine.
सर
I would like to say. Please. I would like to say.
Yogi Adityanath, yes, please.
सर
टूटे हुए लश्कर का भरम देख रहे हैं, जिल्ले इलाही का करम देख रहे हैं, तुम्हारे ऊपर हावी है ताकत का नशा, तुम देख न पाओगे जो हम देख रहे हैं।
अखिलेश यादव जी शायरी बहुत अच्छा मारते हैं
And the
शायरी
way you
बहुत
play the role
सर
of gods.
Sir, when
You are the hypocrite
when
man.
you were speaking, nobody disturbing you. But you are not bearing my points. So please, I may consider the Yogi Adityanath of the Uttar Pradesh as a chief minister. Sir, I am considered as the chief minister of the Uttar Pradesh.
So-called chief
Sir,
minister, sir.
sir, please. Sir, आपने
have to
देखा?
get there, Mr.
Sir,
Prime
listen to me,
Minister.
sir.
Mr.
Bearing my points, sir, please. Sir,
I'm listening.
please. आप सर अखिलेश यादव सिर्फ बातों को गुमराह करते हैं सर नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू से सर लिसन टू मी सर क्या बात कर रहे हैं सर जब भी मैं कुछ बोलता हूं इनको आपत्ति हो जाती है सर जब भी मैं कुछ बोलता हूं इनको आपत्ति हो जाती है मैं पिछले 2 घंटों से इनकी भाषण सुन रहा हूं लेकिन मेरे सर अब क्या बात करती हैं आप सर
This is the BJP party in front of me.
सर लिसन टू
This is the BJP party.
सर
This is the BJP party in front of us.
सर क्या
in
बात कर
front
रहे हैं
of public.
लिसन टू मी
First listen me. Sir, first listen me. Sir, this is the BJP
Sir,
party and
sir.
they are disrespecting. Sir, first
Sir, listen to me.
They are disrespecting women. They are disrespecting women. They are talking about the protection of women. Okay, sir, I'm listening you.
अगर सर ये सदन मुझे रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दे सकता
तो मैं अभी इस सदन को
Sir, you
छोड़
have
के
to do what for respect? You have to do respect. This is the BJP party. This is the BJP party. They proved himself. They are fugitive. They are not here. They are hypocrite. They cannot work here. Sir, this way he's gonna protect our Uttar Pradesh. This way he's gonna protect our Uttar Pradesh. This way he will protect.
Sir.
This way he will protect.
He wants to say that you are not listening and you are disrespecting a chief minister. If you are guys doing like this, if you are going to do like this, he will not be in this Sadan, he will go from here.
So he started.
Arey, listen to him first. Listen to him. Listen to him. Listen to the chief minister, please. Listen to the chief minister,
Sir,
please.
I was listening, Mr. Chief Minister, sir.
सर
Sir, I was.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
सर जब मैं पहली बार उत्तर प्रदेश का सीएम बना सर पूरे 25,000 वोटों से, और जब मैं दूसरी बार बना तो 50,000 वोटों से, अब मैं तीसरी बार उत्तर प्रदेश का सीएम बना हूँ लगभग 1.5 लाख वोटों से। और सर मैं इनको बता देना चाहता हूँ सर, मैंने सर अपना घर छोड़ दिया, मैंने अपना परिवार छोड़ दिया, मैंने सर इस देश के लिए अपने माँ बाप को छोड़ दिया सर, अपने भाई बहन को छोड़ दिया, अपने माँ बाप को छोड़ दिया सर प्लीज। और ये सर मुझे भ्रष्टाचार बताने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। मैंने अपना माँ बाप छोड़ दिया हूँ इस नेशन के लिए, इस भारत के लिए, इस समाज के लिए, बट इवन दे आर ब्लेम मी एज ए टेररिस्ट।
Sir, I would like to quote Mr.
सर
Sir,
सर
Chief Minister, sir, listen me.
इन्होंने
Sir,
सर
listen me. Sir,
सर
listen me.
क्या बात
Sir,
कर रहे
listen
हैं
me. I am
सर?
chatting to you.
इन्होंने
Sir, I am
माफियावाद
listening.
को सर जन्म दिया है।
This is the problem of BJP party. They can listen us. They never listen us. A person who cannot protect his family, that person can protect the whole Uttar Pradesh. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
सर अखिलेश यादव, अखिलेश यादव
Sir,
मेरा परिवार,
this is the person.
सर अखिलेश यादव सर, माय डियर
Mr. Chief Minister.
मेरा सर माय डियर स्पीकर अध्यक्ष महोदय, इन्होंने क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप लोग को? जब भी मैं कुछ बोलता हूँ इनको आपत्ति होती है सर।
You should go in, sir. He should go in the temple. He should go in the forest and should do worshiping. What are you doing here? What are you doing
इन्होंने
here?
परिवार की बात किया है
A person,
Sir,
a person who
you
don't
told
have
about
family.
the-
How can you know the problem
Sir.
of the family? How will we solve the problem?
You
of the
told
family?
about the-
You don't have family. How can you understand
I-
the problem of family? How you can understand problem of family? How family is suffering? How you will understand? How will
I think you are
the chief minister.
you are
And
manipulating
the
my
chief
point. You have no
minister.
sense.
You are the chief
And
minister.
you are
And
just
don't
rejecting
remember
your point.
name.
And you have no sense. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? लाल टोपी ये लाल टोपी वाले जो जितने भी लोग हैं, इनको मेरी बात को सर
ये
यू
धानी भूल जाते।
भूल
ये
ले-
पूर्वा
सर,
धानी भूल
अखिलेश
जाते।
यादव।
4 दिन गांव में आके रहते, सारी लंथरानी भूल जाते। What are you talking about, man?
Okay. Now you please sit down. Okay. You complete your statement and sit down, please.
Okay,
We
sir.
respect you, sir.
सर
Please wait.
अखिलेश यादव told about my family.
You tell me, don't tell them.
I want to say, I want to, sir, my dear speaker, I want to say that my family is my nation. My family is my nation. सर मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि मेरा परिवार मेरा भारत है, मेरा समाज है, मेरा प्रदेश है। मैं एक संत हूँ और संत होने के नाते मैं सच बोलने का साहस रखता हूँ। और मैं बता देना चाहता हूँ मेरा परिवार मेरा परिवार,
One second.
मेरा भारत है, मेरा समाज है, मेरा प्रदेश है, और मुझे पूरे प्रदेश का ध्यान रखना होता है।
Wow, very nice. In English.
Sir, you're talking about my family.
Wait,
you so
you
much.
guys are not letting him speak.
Okay, sir.
Wait for a while. You complete your statement,
sir.
please.
I
You have
completed.
completed?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. Okay. So, I have listened Chief Minister here right now. He has really good statements. Whatever he has spoken, I really comply with him. Now, I would like Miss Garima to have words whatever she is going through and whatever she has noticed so far in this government. You should tell me, why are you guys telling them? You need to talk to speaker.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.
My name is Garima Pandey. I am elected from the constituency of the Gazipur. Sir, I wanted to start my debate to an discussion on the topic which is going on the country from one Sairi. This is the Sairi of Rahat Indori. The Rahat Indori is a very critic of the BJP. Obviously, maximum people is known that अगर खिलाफ है तो होने दो, अगर खिलाफ है तो होने दो, जान थोड़ी है। अगर खिलाफ है तो होने दो, जान थोड़ी है। ये सब धुआं है, ये सब धुआं है, आसमान थोड़ी है। लगेगी आग,
हाँ लगेगी यार।
लगेगी आग तो आएंगे कई घर जद में, लगेगी आग तो आएंगे कई घर जद में, यहाँ पर सिर्फ मेरा मकान थोड़ी है। I wanted to say that particularly Yogi, you always say that the particular person is not suited for this country, particular religion not suited for that thing. They are not the citizen of India according to you? Is they have lost their citizenship? Particular religion, I don't want to say particular name, but you know, you always target the particular religion. Why? Why you are targeting? And say, this is the first question. You cover your body with chola. You cover your body with chola bhagwadhari and say you are the idol of the Hindutva. You are not Hindu. You are not Hindu. I am Garima Pandey. I am Pandey particularly. I am not going to the casteism, but Pandey is the particular related to the Hindu dharma. How can you give me certificate of the Hindutva? I am Tati of Krishna.
मैम,
Who are you?
सबसे पहली बात, मैं एक संत हूँ, और संत होने के नाते मैंने बोल चुका हूँ कि सच बोलने का साहस रखता हूँ। और मैम, मेरी कुछ व्यक्तिगत आस्था है, और व्यक्तिगत आस्था के साथ
So keep it व्यक्तिगत ना sir, keep it व्यक्तिगत.
Ma'am,
How you are making
ma'am,
public? How you?
Ma'am, I am not
make
favor
it public?
any type of.
I'm taking
Ma'am,
election
listen
on
to
the
me.
basis of
Why am
that.
not? Ma'am,
How
I'm just
can
going
you
to
take-
complete my sentence.
Okay,
Please
sir. You
listen
are the
to me.
Chief Minister.
Yeah,
I
I'm
respect
Chief
you.
Minister. So why you
Please
know me?
complete
You know
Okay,
very
sir.
well why are. I'm not
Talk
favor
in
with
English,
any
sir.
type of
This is a debate
religion,
in
any
English.
type of the casteism. But you are the people, you are the red color of the topi peoples. You have no sense, and you are standing in the front of me, and you are talking, and you are going to your sentences.
Please
You going to
give me-
Gumrah, sir. You have no sense. Firstly, you have to return, and you see the beauty of our nation, our Pradesh, and you will see the development,
can you
and
take
you will
it-
then
how-
you will
how
ask
can
my
how
you
can
will
take-
stand and you
how
will
can
ask
take
a
vote on the
question
basis
from
of
me.
religion? How can you take vote on the basis of religion? How can you demand?
Where you say? Where you say? Are you?
You
Yeah, I
ask
think,
always in
sir,
every rally,
sir,
in every
my-
rally. Please let me complete, sir. Please let me complete. I
Sir,
am female. I
sir,
have this right. Please
listen
let
to me,
complete.
listen to me. Shut up, क्या बात कर रही है? सर, पूरे प्रदेश के अंदर
They are disrespecting.
I'm not disrespecting. I think you have to. मुझे लगता है सर, I think sir.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, speaker, sir. I wanted, sir. Please let. Sir. Sir. Speaker, sir. I am addressing you. I am addressing you. I am saying that I am the against you. It's my duty to make sure that you don't doing any wrong thing. It's my duty. I am not appreciator of you, sir. My eye is always on you, sir. If you do anything wrong, I am the one person, opposite person who always pointed out.
Yes.
This is the thing, sir. Don't take it the hurt on your heart, sir. Okay, it's my right. I am saying previously, you are always taking vote on the basis of religion. It's the true, sir. Please accept it. Please, on the public meeting. Now, you always saying. Let me complete.
Let her complete. Guys, give 1 minute. Give just 1 minute, please.
And the another point is a privatization. You always BJP party always showing a very bad privatization. It give you opportunity of employment.
Be more dramatic.
It give you the opportunity of employment. What about the poor people, sir? What about poor people? Who is the money person? Who is the elite person? This person can get the job in the private sector by the source, by their linkages. How can a poor boy without linkages? How can get this person job? You understand, sir? I am saying. I am addressing you, sir. Okay. This you promoting Adani and Ambani. Only Adani is Ambani nation. Adani and Ambani is a nation, sir. Adani and Ambani is not a nation.
Objection, we are not understanding your point.
Yes.
Because you not understand my point because you are from Uganda. You cannot understand the problem of the country.
Oh!
You cannot understand my.
Are she's saying she's from Uganda? No!
She's from
No!
Uganda.
She's from Basti. Shame!
She's a Basti.
Sit down!
She's from Basti.
Sit down! Sit down!
Let me complete.
Objection.
You from Basti, elected from Basti, but your origin is not
Objection.
from Basti. Okay?
Objection.
How can that is our problem? You are elected. You are the face of the BJP.
Allow her to talk.
How many districts in the Uttar Pradesh? You know the basic problem of the Uttar Pradesh?
First talk, I will give you answers.
You are just a puppet. You are just the puppet of the BJP. Nothing else. You are just a puppet. You are just a number.
A moment.
Yeah, he's
moment of silence.
She is elected from UP.
A moment of silence. Let's maintain peace. Let's maintain peace. Namaste. Let's maintain peace, members. Let's maintain peace. Let's maintain peace. Honorable Member of Parliament, allow me to appreciate your effort, but the way you're talking like you're not an honorable. Talk like an honorable, respectfully, lovely.
Hate people, man. Be honest, hate people.
Sir,
A prime minister.
Not basic knowledge about Uttar Pradesh. and
you
you're
know,
talking about
ma'am, yes, I am respecting you.
Allow me to express my thought. Allow me. You see, there is one thing that I don't like about the ruling party, having disrespect. Shouting, you are not supposed to shout in a parliamentary talk.
Say ruling party.
This is a dialogue.
She's saying ruling party.
It is a dialogue of two parties, not a party where we are going to fight one another. No. I am Honorable Stella Judith Acham from Basti District.
Sir, ma'am.
Allow me to complete.
You are
Yes,
elected.
fully elected, attested and approved by Mr. Hyoki. He can attest and approve it.
Yes, puppet always approved by the leaders.
No, we respect.
I'm not puppet. It's my origin, Indian origin. I am
Order.
from Gazipur. I know the
Order.
problem of Gazipur. How can she know? This?
Order.
She's not from India.
Order. Let's maintain peace. Peace.
Why are you talking like that? Why? Please. Why are you talking? In a short time. Hurry up. I have to go there as well. Come on.
Actually, what I want to tell you, this is not a weak government. It is a strong government, unchallengeable, untouchable. It is a government for people, and it is a government for its people. One India, one government. One people, one India, different colors. In our government,
Make them sit, sir.
allow me to tackle your question. You said about privatization. Let me tell you, this privatization of Muscat Airport has greatly
Only
improved
one
a lot.
example, you Muscat Airport, Muscat
because
Airport.
you
What
talked about privatization. You talked about privatization. I need to answer your point.
Our president who planned the Agra Expressway.
No, when you ask about a question, I need to give a clear example.
You are just copying us. You are just copying us.
You take your seat. Let her complete everything. You complete everything, whatever you want.
Okay. So I am talking about Adani Ambani. Okay. You always everything you sell Adani. Why? Adani is a country. We are not. What about common people? What about common people, President sir? What about Mango people? Obviously, you are saying. Real face of the Yogi ji. I wanted to say one line for you. Okay. दिलों में आग
Use
लबों पे
English, Madam Speaker. Use
Okay.
English.
This is the शायरी मैम. Okay. तो दिलों में आग लबों पे गुलाब रखते हैं. दिलों में आग लबों पे गुलाब रखते हैं. ये सब अपने चेहरों पे दोहरी नकाब. You are saying you are doing work for the common people. But in reality, you are doing work for only the elite class people. Adani and Ambani and what about the other person? This is the real face. Your nakab, sir. You're the nakab. This is nepotism, sir. Who prevent him? Who prevent him? He can make family. He can make family. I am not preventing Yogi ji make family. He can make family and do nepotism. I am not preventing you.
We
Do
are not
nepotism.
doing
I am
that.
not preventing. Make
Nepotism is not
Do
good,
someone-
my dear Member of Parliament. It's not good. Nepotism is not
I
about
have family.
marriage.
We have family. Okay. Election commission, the fraud of the election commission. How can automatically, immediately before the election, the voters number are increasing? How can? This is the Mili Bhagat of the election commission, and you people. Yes? No, people are supporting us.
Okay. Just wait. We will just have common Q&A after some time. Then you can ask every question, right? Sachin Lori, please pass this microphone.
Good morning to all of you.
Nobody will interrupt unless he completes. Okay?
First of all, thank Honorable Speaker sir giving me this wonderful opportunity. So we are the ruling party in Uttar Pradesh.
Right.
You can see the security of women in Uttar Pradesh nowadays.
It is good.
You can see the education system of Uttar Pradesh nowadays. Please let me complete, ma'am. You can see the medical sector in Uttar Pradesh. In Samajwadi Party was ruling party that time. You can see only for minimum AIMS hospital.
Right.
But nowadays 18 AIMS hospital open in Uttar Pradesh. This is the power of the BJP party. Yes.
Nobody can interrupt.
Yes. Listen.
Okay.
Now
You can answer after some.
I would like to
Huh.
explain about the Kashmir.
Okay.
What did the BJP party in Kashmir? Yes.
Wait.
Not I am talking not.
Yes.
I
you
am
are
not
right. You
talking
can
about the Pulwama attack. I am not talking about the Operation Sindoor.
Wait. After some time.
I am talking about the reality of Kashmir. What was the that time? People were afraid to go outside to at their home. People afraid the terrorists. But I would like to say some panktiyan in front of you
Okay.
about the Kashmir.
Yeah. Listen.
कि
कश्मीर जो खुद सूरज के बेटे की राजधानी थी, कश्मीर जो खुद सूरज के बेटे की राजधानी थी, डमरू वाले शिव शंकर की जो घाटी कल्याणी थी, कश्मीर जो भूमंडल का स्वर्ग बताया जाता था, कश्मीर जो लाल बहादुर को प्राणों से प्यारा था, कश्मीर वो डूब गया था अंधी गहरी खाई में। अरे कश्मीर वो डूब गया था अंधी गहरी खाई में, और फूलों की घाटी रोती थी मरघट की तन्हाई में, फूलों की घाटी रोती थी मरघट की तन्हाई में। अरे ये अग्नि गंदा मौसम की बेला है, अरे ये अग्नि गंदा मौसम की बेला है, और गंदों के घर बंदूकों का मेला है। मैं भारत की जनता का संबोधन हूँ, आंसू के अधिकारों का उद्बोधन हूँ, इसीलिए दरबारों को दर्पण दिखलाने निकला हूँ, इसीलिए दरबारों को दर्पण दिखलाने निकला हूँ, और मैं घायल घाटी के दिल की धड़कन गाने निकला हूँ, मैं घायल घाटी के दिल की। अरे अपहरण,
ओके
लेट मी कंप्लीट।
ओके
अपहरणों की रोज कहानी होती थी, अरे अपहरणों की रोज कहानी होती थी, धरती मैया पानी पानी होती थी, रेजम की झरने भी आंसू लगती थी, बहरों की लज में भी आंसू लगती थी, इसीलिए दरबारों को दर्पण दिखलाने निकला हूँ, इसीलिए दरबारों को दर्पण दिखलाने निकला हूँ, मैं घायल घाटी के दिल की धड़कन गाने निकला हूँ, मैं घायल घाटी के दिल की धड़कन। नाउ आई वांट टू मोर पंक्तियां सपोर्ट कि अब केवल आवश्यकता है हिम्मत की खुददारी की, कि अब केवल आवश्यकता है हिम्मत की खुददारी की, दिल्ली मोहलत दे दे केवल 2 दिन की तैयारी की, सेना को आदेश थमा दो घाटी देर नहीं होगी, और जहां तिरंगा नहीं मिलेगा उनकी खैर नहीं होगी।
भारत माता की।
कि जिन लोगों को भारत की भूमि ना भाती हो,
हाँ
कि जिन लोगों को भारत की भूमि ना भाती हो, और भारत के झंडों से बदबू आती हो, और जिन लोगों ने माँ का आंचल फाड़ा है, दूध भरे सीनों में चाकू गाड़ा है, मैं उनको चौराहों पर फांसी चढ़वाने निकला हूँ।
यस
मैं उनको चौराहों पर फांसी चढ़वाने निकला हूँ, मैं घायल घाटी के दिल की धड़कन गाने निकला हूँ, मैं घायल घाटी के दिल की धड़कन गाने निकला हूँ। Just listen. Nowadays,
you himself accepted that the Ghayal Ghati.
Yes.
Who make Ghayal Ghati?
that time
Who make? It's your government. It's your government.
other party was ruling party. When the other party ruling party, that's why the Kashmir.
Uri attack. Who said?
Injured.
Who did?
That
Who do?
time.
Security.
That-
Where is the security?
But
Where is
hey,
the
big.
Like up security of present government.
Now
he
But-
was Garima, he was trying to say Ghayal Ghati was at that time. Now Ghayal Ghati is okay.
nowadays you can see we remove, sir, we remove the article
You
370.
singing a song.
We remove the article 70. That's why you can see nowadays the Kashmir people. Listen me.
Okay, you sit down, please. Yeah, complete.
Yes. Nowadays, honorable speaker sir, you can see the situation of Kashmir. We remove
Listen.
We remove the article 370. Yes.
Please wait. Huh.
Nowadays, every children, every sister, our mother, every ladies can go outside and take an education and do what they want to do. Yes. Yes. This is
Go Kashmir and lost her husband. Okay, Jo Pahalgam.
this is only for reason.
Who is the responsibility? Who is the responsible? Make sure
We are responsible. That's why we give the reply of the Pakistan people in Operation Sindoor.
Okay.
You are talking about.
I'm not saying. We stand with you, giving the answer of the Pakistan.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
But yet, yes, we opposition, together we accept your proposal. we stand with you against the Pakistan. लेकिन it's your accountability makes your us who is the responsible the entry of the terrorists. Who is the responsible?
You are saying that we are responsible. We are responsible. ये उन देशद्रोहियों का काम है.
Please,
ये-
don't make shout, don't make.
I am not making sound. ये उन देशद्रोहियों का काम है जो टेररिस्ट को सपोर्ट करते हैं, और हम टेररिस्ट को सपोर्ट नहीं, उनको जान से मारते
That's
हैं.
why,
ये है.
that's why. You are not supporting terrorists. फिर भी that's why although all the incident happen in your
I
government.
don't
Why?
want to say
Why?
that you are supporting to terrorist.
Sir, you
but-
have 10 seconds. Complete your statement, please.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Hurry up. Oh, thank you. Please have a seat. Right.
बहुत गहराइयों से आप लोग का बातों का ओके मैम ओके इनको आपत्ति हो जाती है हिंदी बोलने में. सो प्लीज मैम लिसन टू मी. डोंट मेक मछली बाजारो.
Sir, first you talk about digital India, then why you are
Listen to me. Why I'm giving the answer back of that person. Why are you talking?
Yes.
Sir, I want to say that यदि इस प्रदेश के अंदर अगर जितना हिंदू सुरक्षित है उतना ही मुस्लिम सुरक्षित है, उतना ही सिख है, उतना ही ईसाई है. Just I want to say, why, sir? My dear speaker, please make silence. Why are you not bearing my points? You have not bearing my point, so please get out of parliament. Sir, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, he asked me question and I'm giving the answer back of that question, that person. And why are you making the noise? When you were talking about my party,
Let him answer. Yeah.
Sir, you can talk.
मैंने आपत्ति किया नहीं किया, तो why are you making the
Exactly.
fishing?
He was silent at the time.
सर, मुझे लगता है कि उत्तर प्रदेश में मुस्लिम जितना सुरक्षित है पूरे विश्व में कहीं नहीं है, पूरे भारत में कहीं नहीं है. यदि कोई ओके मैम लिसन टू मी. व्हाई आर यू ऑलवेज सर प्लीज I can speak better than you. Why are you? I can. Sir, please listen to me. I can speak better than you, sir.
Listen.
Sir, you talk about I'm coming from the Muslim community. Then I'm saying that मैंने ट्रिपल तलाक के बारे में बात किया. क्या ये बातें सही नहीं है? Listen to me. और I'm saying that.
Okay, wait.
कि उत्तर प्रदेश में जितना मुस्लिम सुरक्षित है वो भारत में कहीं नहीं है.
ठीक है, fine. हाँ.
To tell you what was the real problem at that time, at the time of Samajwadi government. At that time, every week there is a curfew without any reason, and most of the innocent people were died. Yeah, but now in this government, a single person never dare to do that activity because our government makes such good rules. If someone fined in that curfew, all the penalty they will pay. But and this Samajwadi Party, Mr. Honorable Speaker Sir, I want to tell you this Samajwadi Party promoting hooligans, promoting terrorism. Yeah, but our government select those terrorism and throw the hooligans and kill them. Now these days, no one can dare to do such activity. And in this government, ladies are very safe. Ma'am, accident can happen anywhere. that was accident. And so could you tell me, ma'am? Could you tell me what are you talking, ma'am? Any government, any party can't stop crime, ma'am. Any party.
How can it
Could, just you are blaming us, na? Yeah. And as we know everyone about Akhilesh Yadav. Yeah. People call Toti Chor. Toti Chor. Huh? What? Akhilesh Yadav.
Excuse me. Say sorry first of all. You have to say sorry. Say sorry first of all.
Why, sir?
You have to
Why?
say sorry
Why
first
say
of all.
sorry? People
You are disrespecting. No. Say sorry. You have to say sorry.
I'm not-
No.
I'm not
Say
saying
sorry.
people
Say sorry.
People
Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry first of all. Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry first of all. Say sorry first of all. Say sorry.
Listen to me, listen to me. Listen. Hey, listen to me. Please calm down. Please. This is.
I'm
Listen to me.
the characters of
Okay. Okay. Listen to me. Please calm down. Please calm down. Calm down. Please.
Ask him to say sorry first of all.
Sir, please say sorry.
Okay.
देखिए,
As
कोई भी सर,
our CM says, but
सर,
okay,
ये अखिलेश यादव की पार्टी,
listen me first, please.
सर इन्होंने माफियावाद को सर जन्म दिया.
Yes.
That's one thing, ne? Sir, if any mafia is coming, यदि कोई माफिया इस पार्टी का हो, listen to me. If he did any type of, if he did any type of,
I'm not saying people says this.
sir, please say sorry. Please say sorry.
Okay, for the respecting of my CM, say sorry for this. But
Listen to me, sir. Sir, listen to me. Mafia sir,
you are just zindabad for nepotism, huh? Promoting terrorism.
Sir.
What I'm telling you.
क्या ये सच बात नहीं है कि अतीक अहमद के खिलाफ जिस पीड़ित महिलाओं ने, जिस पीड़ित परिवारों ने मुकदमा दर्ज कराया, क्या ये इनके पार्टी के द्वारा पोषित माफिया नहीं था?
सही है.
सर, माय डियर स्पीकर, लिसन टू मी. मैं उसे मिट्टी में मिला दूंगा. कोई भी माफिया, चाहे वो इस पार्टी का हो, चाहे इस
hello,
पार्टी.
excuse me.
If any type of mafia who is belonging from this party and that party, I will sir, मैं उसे मिट्टी में मिला दूंगा सर. मैं माफियावाद को सर, when there were rule this government, women were raped in the front of the police by the mafia, by the Samajwadi party. But you know